and she was living a happy life, but actually she was single. Okay, but later on that her imagination came to life.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? Where are you calling from?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm calling from Oman right now.
Okay, and may I just know you a little because I think we are getting
Yeah,
connected for the first time, right?
yes, we are connecting first time. So let me introduce myself. So this is Shahid, and I'm from India in Jharkhand. But right now I'm working in Oman right now, and I like to play cricket, and I like to listen music sometimes, and I like to learn English language also. So what I'm doing, yeah.
Great. And what are your interests? Like, is it learning English language?
Yes, it is just yeah. And apart from that, watch sometimes movie also when I get bored at that time. Yeah.
Okay. So you said that you're in Oman. Like, what are you? Are you working there or are you a student?
Yes, I'm working here. Yeah.
Okay. For how long have you been there in Oman?
Actually, I have been working here for like more than 3 years. But recently, I came from India. For the vacation. Yeah.
Okay. How did it feel like coming back to India after a long time?
Yeah, 3 month actually 3 month 3 month ago I went 4 month I think 4 month ago I went to and again like I think 1 week ago sorry 20 days ago I went also for the emergency leave. There was some emergency due to that I went there. So yeah, so it was okay. Yeah.
All right. So you frequently visited India, though you were in Oman, isn't it? Because of some of the other reasons.
Yes, yes. So
Great to
what
know.
about you? Can you introduce yourself?
Well, I am Dimple. I like we are
Okay.
neighbors. Though you are living in Jharkhand, I am in Patna, and I am teacher,
Okay.
English trainer, and manager by profession. I have my own
Okay.
startup as well. I work on different platforms also, apart from Clapingo. And
Okay.
talking about like we share a very similar interest, that is the love for English language. I really like English language a
Okay.
lot, and also
Yeah.
reading books is my one of my hobbies.
All right. So yeah. So you are reading books. So this is a hobby. So what kind of book have you read it? Like, did you read motivation kind of book?
Not motivational books, but some non-fictional books I have read, which was based
Okay.
on communication. Okay,
Hmm.
like how
Yeah.
to win friends and people, how to talk, how
Hmm.
to. There was a book like for how to improve, like read better. Okay, so I have read
Okay.
those non-fictional books which helped me in improving my English speaking skills. Also, I have read one of the book which was called "The Power of Subconscious Mind."
Okay. Have you read it? Power of
Yeah, I
Subconscious
read it
Mind.
a long back. I read it a long back, and at that point of time, I couldn't relate with it, so I couldn't complete
Okay.
the book. But now,
Okay.
few days back, I had opened it once again, and I'm trying to give it a
Okay.
try. Like working on
Okay.
how prayers work, how your thinking can change your life. These are really
Okay.
fascinating. Whereas I'm more into I'm more into fiction. I like books with philosophy.
Okay. So can you a little bit explain about the subconscious mind book that like how it works?
Whereas, see, in subconscious mind, what I have understood so far is that whatever you think, how you believe, the world revolves around it. Okay. If you
Okay.
have negative thoughts or negative affirmations around you, you'll see negative things happening around. Whereas,
Okay.
even if you do not have something, like even if you are not a millionaire or not a billionaire, you need to think positively. You need to believe in it. You need to thank universe for
Hmm.
everything that you have everything, and you will surely get that one day. There are a lot of
Okay.
examples based on that in the book. There was a story I remember that there was a lady, I believe,
Okay.
who was actually working in a pharmaceutical company or something.
Mhm.
So basically, she always wondered that she was married to a very handsome man, and she was living a happy life. But actually, she was single. Okay, but later on, that her imagination came to life, and she was actually married to a person. That was the thing that
Okay.
happened. Then that all credit goes.
When did she marry?
Like like let's say initially she was single. She used to live in those thoughts.
Yeah, like
Okay.
so, like yeah, I think I have had also this story. I think she married after like maybe 50. Maybe her age was
Yeah,
70 or
yeah.
60, I
She
think.
was not a young lady. Obviously, she was a lady in middle ages, right?
Yeah, she was, I
Yeah,
think, 70 or 60. I'm not
yeah, yeah.
sure, but she was similar
Probably
like
she was a divorcee or widow. I do not exactly remember, but what I remember was that there was a lady who got married later on and started living a happy life because of her thoughts. Similarly,
okay.
there are a lot of examples which are exactly I cannot remember right now.
So was it a real story or was it fiction?
Whereas it is that is the debate about the book. It claims to be a non-fiction book, and the examples that are given tends to be a little unrealistic for people who do not believe. Okay, uh, so we cannot really surely say because there is no evidence, like there is no particular thing mentioned, like what character
Okay,
is the author talking about. So this is a little debatable thing. But again, as I said, the book is all about thinking and believing. So we need to believe in that.
okay. So like I have one more question, like how we can believe, how can we generate the belief system?
Okay.
Yeah,
So I have been working on this lately. I'll tell you what I have my thoughts about it.
yeah.
Power of Subconscious, this book, Power of Subconscious Mind, was with me for a very long time. Okay. Here, like very often, I used to refer to that books based on the scenarios. Along with that, I had also referred to a lot of videos because this thing was really fascinating when I came across. Now, what there is a scenario that you need to believe into things. Okay, by believing into things and how to believe into things, there are few criteria. Okay, like we have three doors to our brain. Okay,
Okay,
subconscious is a door which is always open. Okay,
okay,
consciousness is a door which is open when we want, and
okay,
unconscious is a door which is closed. We cannot think about it. But subconscious is something which is alert all the time. If you have left a key somewhere, even though you cannot recall consciously, but your subconscious is aware. And only when
okay,
subconscious tells you, you are able to remember, oh, the key is there. Okay.
okay.
So now coming how to reprogram it. There are a lot of ways to reprogram your subconscious, but the first step is you have to take practical affirmations. Some affirmations that you can believe in. Let's say
Mm,
that if you're speaking English, okay, let's say you want to speak fluently and you're not able to do that. Okay.
yes,
If you start saying yourself that I am a fluent speaker, your conscious brain will be like, oh, you're not a fluent speaker. It will reprimand you. It will constantly say that you cannot think like that. So our conscious
yes,
brain is very logical, but subconscious is not. Okay.
okay,
So when you are thinking consciously, you need to put in those affirmations which you can believe in. What you can
mm,
say that I can understand English language easily. I can speak simple sentences easily. Okay.
okay,
I can, if you say these things, you will believe in it. Right. So this
okay,
is how you start believing
mm,
something that you think you can do. And this is how you create your affirmations. Once you write,
okay,
either you write these affirmations, people listen to these affirmations, people create visual affirmations. Okay. Or simply they think and they tell to themselves. This is what
all right,
affirmations are like. And this affirmation through your consciousness, through your door of consciousness, reaches subconscious.
All
And
right.
now our subconscious starts believing in it. And when it starts believing in it, the changes start happening. Okay?
All right. Yeah. Such a
I'll
nice
tell this
explanation
why.
you did it. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry. Yeah, so sorry, you
You
said
have
something?
explained very well. I was saying that.
Okay, thank you so much for that. So, why I am explaining this? Because I said initially I was very fascinated with this fact. I
Mhm.
tried a lot of things for this, and I came to see a lot of, I saw a lot of changes on me. Okay.
All right.
Obviously, I won't say that I have done 100%. Okay. Again, I'll say that I try to put in some affirmation, which I obviously I cannot believe consciously. That doesn't
Yeah.
work. Okay.
Okay.
But when I try to put in some affirmation which is practical, which is possible, then definitely. Now, let's say if I am earning a lakh rupees and I say to myself, I am earning crores of rupees every month, I will not really believe in it, right? But yes, if I say that I'm getting salary hike every 3 months, I'm the best performer. These things will actually make me perform better in my work, isn't it?
Okay.
And with that, I can definitely reach that target of 10 crores probably in some time.
All
Okay,
right. Yeah.
so this is how
So
practically you can go there.
yeah. So like, but
Tell
I
me.
have one more question. Like, so how we can use affirmation? Like, have you said that like you we have to use affirmation? Uh, then the
Hmm.
subconscious mind door will open.
Hmm.
So yeah. So how we can
Affirmation,
use? Yes.
affirmations, first of all, we need to understand what affirmations are. Affirmations are the belief, okay? Some are those sentences that we speak to ourselves in which we can believe, okay?
Okay.
So you need to create your affirmations, first of all, based on your desire, okay? Based on what you need to change, because there are a lot of negativities in our mind, right?
Okay.
For example, I say, let's say, take any friend of mine who is not behaving good with me, okay? I don't really like him. And if I say, no, he's my best friend, oh my God, my brain is not going to believe. What I can say, I treat him good. I am good with people. I treat everybody respectfully. This is how I can bring upon the changes. When I'm saying this to myself, like, I treat people nicely. I am good to people. I respect people. So these are positive affirmations. Okay. So
Yeah.
now,
These are
how
affirmation
affirmation?
for yeah. This affirmation for I think to kind with people. But I was asking about like if suppose if someone, as you said that you have given the example, you want to become a fluent speaker, so you just use some information. I can speak English and I can understand English, and yeah, when I read, so I understand what I read. So so this kind of information, which time I will use? Yeah.
So yeah, so you need to say this to yourself. Okay.
Okay.
What? See, when you're coming here on Clapingo, you are aware about what your flaws are and what you're good at, right?
Mm.
You have both the aspects with yourself. Okay. So from where you will pick your affirmation? From the good feedback you have got. Okay. Now
Yeah.
let's say that you get a feedback that Shahid is a very good listener. That is what I can observe. Okay. Thank you so much for listening me. Okay. I am a good listener. And if you're a good listener, I'm telling you, the door to knowledge is always open. Okay.
Yes.
When you are listening to people, I'll tell you the major learning I had in English language was only because of listening. And it is the same case with everybody. If you will even see a child, right? Like for 2 years, 3 years, he keeps listening his parents, his relatives along, and he starts speaking the complete sentences and then small sentences. This is how the process goes like. So if you are a good listener, you have immense opportunity to improve your English. Okay.
Okay.
This is how you need to work upon. Now, how you can work on these affirmations. If you are very much dedicated for your English language, you start working on yourself also. Like you are every day when you're waking up, when you're coming here and clapping go, this shows your dedication, right? You say that, yes, today I will be super confident. I am super confident in my Clapingo sessions. My teachers are very helpful. My teachers are helping me to guide, to overcome my mistakes, overcome my hesitation. So these are the affirmations you can try for yourself before even joining the platform. Okay,
Okay,
like before
before the
even,
joining the session, at that time, like I
you can
had to
say
say,
that.
I have to say, oh my God,
Yes, yeah, you can do
I
that.
thought
I'm
like
telling
you,
you, it will work. I'll tell you, this
okay,
is going to work. This will
okay.
actually
I thought you
infuse
would
a lot
say,
of positivity.
no, yeah, I thought you would say, yeah, you can use this affirmation when you sleep at that time, and when you wake up at that time you say this affirmation. But really, it's a very unusual. You are just saying that to, yeah,
You can
that
write it, after the, like, I'll tell you, these things work when you write, when you listen, when you speak, when you tell yourself. So, you can just write it as a feedback. You get an option, right, for your tutors. You can write, thank you, ma'am, I am able to speak clearly. Thank you, ma'am, you're so helpful. I'm not telling to write it for myself, by the way.
no, no, no,
It's
yeah,
your
yeah,
choice. But if you write it, it's going into your brain every single day. At the
okay,
same time, you're practicing English writing also.
mm,
Okay. You're practicing writing, you're practicing sentences. If you learned any new word probably in the session, just write it there. It will hardly take a minute of yours, and you can practice that
absolutely,
affirmation. Obviously, if you can do it in the morning and during sleep, that works wonders. There are a lot of reasons behind that as well, but it's not technically possible. But at this point of time, when you're going to take sessions, you're quite focused at that very point of time about your English level speaking. Okay,
absolutely,
so
yes,
you can definitely try at that point of time. Okay,
okay, yeah. And what happen when then what and what time what we do? Like suppose if we get the negative feedback at that time, what we can do?
you should be grateful. I thank my teachers to give me an opportunity to improve myself, right?
Okay,
If you get a
all
negative
right,
feedback, you have to take it as opportunity. Oh, this is the flaw in me. I have to overcome that, right?
all right. Yeah, so nice. Yeah, really,
We
you are
just
so
have a
nice,
minute.
and you are looking so positive. And yes, yeah, we are running to a minute, and yeah, but it's a lovely conversation with you. I'm so feeling well talking with you, and I hope we will meet soon. And I will ask you
Exactly.
more questions to you. Yeah.
Sure, I would love to. And
I
you would
hope,
be
and I will work on it. But you said that I will work on it.
very good. See, you have feeling of positive, right? And with this attitude, if you start speaking, you will not have any fear, you will not have any hesitation, you will feel confident. And once you're
Yeah,
confident, you are going to deliver your best. Okay.
absolutely. Yes, absolutely. And
All
okay, it
right.
is a
Thank
nice
you so much
conversation
for
with you,
being
and we
connected.
will meet soon. Bye bye. Yeah, yeah. Have a
Surely.
good night. Yeah.
And just let all the positive affirmations reach your subconscious, write it, listen to it. You can also listen to subliminals.